Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie with paper easy method. Gather craft paper, scissors, glue, ruler, pencil, and an apple template. Choose paper weights that fold cleanly and support layers without tearing. Cut a circular base for the pie pan and prepare strips for the crust lattice. Keep your workspace tidy so pieces stay organized and easy to assemble. Fold each strip of paper into a neat edge for a realistic crust appearance. Slice strips evenly and crease them lightly to form ridges that look like baked dough. Apply a thin bead of glue along the fold and press edges to hold shape. Work patiently and don't rush the gluing to avoid wrinkled paper and uneven edges. Thanks for sticking with me. Please subscribe and like if this tutorial helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durability and comfort, and enjoy a lifetime warranty that outlasts craft messes. They're my go-to for long craft sessions and make a funny but practical companion to paper projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Layer your paper apples tightly to create a full, juicy-looking filling that peeks through the lattice. Slightly curl each apple slice at the edges for dimension and stack them in a spiral toward the center. Once satisfied with placement, glue each piece lightly so removal is possible for adjustments. Finish by attaching the crust strips in a woven pattern and trim excess for a clean rim.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.